हेलो फ्रेंड्स। अब तक हम जितने भी लीगल वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस करा चुके हैं उन सभी वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस को आज मैं डिक्टेट करूंगा, जो आपकी फ्लुएंसी के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होंगे। पहले मैं फर्स्ट वीडियो के वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस डिक्टेट करूंगा, देन सेकंड, देन थर्ड, ऐसे। ओके, स्टार्ट। हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, डिविजनल कोर्ट, सिविल कोर्ट, सेशन कोर्ट, क्रिमिनल कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट जजेस, High Court Judgment, Honorable Judges of the Court, Learned Single Judge, Learned Trial Judge, Supreme Court Judgment, Attorney General of India, Supreme Court of India, Judicious, Judicial, Judicial Officer, Division Bench, Officer, Contempt of Court, Before the Court, by the court, by the trial court, learned counsel, learned senior counsel, learned standing counsel, family court, petitioner, writ petition, culprits, custody, prosecute, prosecutor, prosecution, prima facie, declaration. Second, plaintiff, defendant, affidavit, appellant, applicant, arbitrator, arbitration, convict, conciliation, Constitution of India, adjournment, adjudication, expert, first defendant, full settlement, direct result, executive orders, Cooperative Societies Act, Civil Procedure Code, in such other manner, Learned Standing Counsel, Code of Conduct, Chief Justice of India, Impugned Order, Bail Petition, Police Station, Rules and Regulations, Good Fortune, Disturbance, Disturbances, District Magistrate, District and Sessions Judge, District and Session Court, Essential Commodities Act, Chief Judicial Magistrate, as a matter of law, as a matter of right. Third, Standing Committee, Summon, Evidence Act, Part and Parcel, Right of Appeal, Post-Mortem Report, Panel of Legislation, Charge Sheet, Legal Authority, Jurisdiction, Jurisprudence, Judicial Separation, Law and Order, in such a situation, Counsel for the Plaintiff, Counsel for the Prosecution, Court of Appeal, couple of days, facts of the case, first hand knowledge, stay order, proven, Hindu law, Muslim law, warrant, law and order situation, legal opinion, legal, illegal, in the appeal, industrial tribunal, bail, acquittal, bankruptcy, deed of settlement, treasury bench, fundamental rights. Fourth, in the cross-examination, Indian Constitution, joint family, joint Hindu family, joint family property, Judge of the Supreme Court, juvenile court, juvenile offender, legal advisor, many witnesses, medical officer, pending inquiry, your verdict, your own judgment, what is the matter, you will say what took place, argue, argued, it is argued, judicial magistrate, judicial probe, land acquisition, law courts, Land Reforms Act, Learned Judge, Lower Court, Legal Separation, legal custody, police station, tax fraud. To this injury, you may consider, you mean to say, when such is the case. Fifth, per annum, per capita, prima facie, appellate tribunal, articles of association, testimony, aforementioned, thereof, thereunder, whereby, furthermore, thereby, thereto, therein, wherein, whosoever, hereafter, inasmuch, foremost, piece of land, above mentioned, hereafter, right of appeal, magistrate, in the appeal, Bar Council of India, first hand information, Court of Appeal, Sandai. To the facts of the case, your own judgment, theory of plaintiff, taking for granted, can be served to certify, to break the law. Sixth, Advocate General, first question, income tax collector, there is no question, concerned court, Karnataka High Court, Punjab High Court, Madras High Court, Delhi High Court, Assam High Court, Allahabad High Court, Bombay High Court. Written statement, learned magistrate, Land Reforms Act, Industrial Disputes Act, I have no other option, public prosecutor. Come into existence, come into force, came into force. There is no satisfaction, corporate tax. What is the question? Judgment of court. I would like to emphasize State of Punjab, State of Gujarat, State of Bihar, State of Madras, Haryana State, Assets and Liabilities, Chief Secretary, Senior Officer, Legal Provisions, as a matter of policy, Headquarters, under consideration, as a matter of respect, investigation. Seventh, pursue against the petitioner, Bar Association, Worker Association, Labor Association, learned judge, dealt with the matter, question, appreciation, apprehension, as to whether, purview, according to that law, in the public interest, civil procedure, below the poverty line, Board of Director, High Court, Higher Court, High Court of Judicature, husband and wife, judgment and order, writ judgment, interim order, Motor Vehicles Act, in accordance with law, election petition against you, because you, at the outset, at the very outset, rights and wrongs, great responsibility, negotiation, for the sake of, crux of the matter, current year, Honorable Apex Court, first and foremost, police officer, press conference. 8th, medical expert, legal expert, criminal investigation, as a general principle, charge sheet. Districts Act, Central Provinces, from top to bottom, National Insurance Act, there is nothing on record, suspicious circumstances, suspicious manner. I have already pointed out, we have concluded, which will be considered अनडिवाइडेड हिंदू फैमिली, हाई लेवल कमेटी, डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट, डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, सर्चिंग इंक्वायरी, रेंटल वैल्यू, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैरिज, कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर, लीगल अथॉरिटी, मार्शियल लॉ, क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड, सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द स्टेट, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, argued before me, in reply to the written examination, regional level, district level, state level, correct or incorrect. 9th, suit for declaration, next argue, Hindu Marriage Act, my learned friend, real estate, verdict for the defendant, verdict for the plaintiff, learned advocate, punishable under section, disciplinary action, husband and wife, judgment creditor, inherent power, inherent jurisdiction, identification, civil consequence, satisfactory conclusion, satisfactory record, honorable court, Indian Railways Act, in the interest of justice, in the case of the, in the act of, satisfactory manner, learned public prosecutor, joint press conference. We are not in a position, we are in a position on the occasion, in the near future. Throughout the country, voluntary, district magistrate, turn into account. In the last session, division bench decision. 10th, law minister, junior officer, state administration, advisory board of education, do you claim, emancipated minor, false witness, financial affidavit, High Court of Tamil Nadu, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, I take an exception, I would not be sure, I swear that it is a question of fact, substance, division, emancipated, restriction, district, grievance, registration, in such other manner, in custody of, in my view, in our view, in their view, in dispute, he has argued, her association, as the case may be, history of the world, direct result, division bench of High Court, division bench of Supreme Court. 11th, scheduled castes and tribes, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, medical expenses, first defendant, first plaintiff, Hindu Divorce Act, first point for consideration, revenue records, suit property, pending inquiry, court of session, absolutely legal, at all events, what is the reason, there is no alternative, in response to the law and order, to such a great extent, to some extent, in the manner in which, sooner or later, Mysore High Court, as a part of the medical science, Managing Director, Press Council of India, standing order per capita at the beginning, agricultural research. I am sorry to say that larger part. 12th, honorable single judge as to whether decide the dispute, determine the claim in the facts of the present case. In the first, senior officer, weaker section of the society, investigation, some investigation in accordance with law, civil procedure, original suit. Some of the defendants challenged, court appeal, chief development officer, finance commission, testimony, perusal, second review, legislative assembly, administration urged that the petitioner. 13th, of the Companies Act, Customs Act, question of fact, inquire into, in the charge sheet, Indian Evidence Act, headquarter. For instance, this expression, petitioner since the police development of the contract, part of the contract, state level, real estate, by the court of fact, before this court, in pursuance of the company's law. Court marriage, judgment and order dated, fundamental rights, government order, imprisonment, under consideration, legal procedure arising out to the present facts and circumstances, relevant, irrelevant, of the court for a long time. He submits that the fact that the limitations, limited, judgment summons, public interest litigation, disciplinary committee, disciplinary action, in our considered view. 15th, judicial review, order dated, provident fund, substances, identification, division bench, High Court of Bihar, High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Ministry of Defence, High Court of Justice, Public Service Commission, Regional Level Committee. 16. Central and State Government, Search Warrant, High Court of Delhi, Press Conference, in the name of, in the ordinary course, on some part, pending consideration, to a certain extent, right and wrong, headmaster, as already mentioned. First and foremost, benefit, as you like, illustration, according to that, sustain, sustained, sustaining. 17th, crux of the matter, as to whether, in the meantime, taken into consideration, he has mentioned, point of view, all of you, in response to the Industrial Dispute Act, market value, to go ahead. At all events, cause of action, because you, against us, for the time being, it is absolutely necessary. Security Council, General Assembly. 18th, keep in mind, first of all, kept in mind, no confidence motion in lieu of, in our view, discriminatory legal advice, most of us, most of all, remunerative, remuneration, judicious, territorial, labor association, areas of revenue, having regard to the fact in the same position as you know, as we all know. 19th. Electoral officer succession. According to the petitioner, grassroots level issued the order as has been mentioned. Government servants, government services, government officer, merits of the case, standard of living, terms and conditions, to a large extent, to a great extent, as a matter of right, Attorney General of India, prior to the large number of people would be required, as required, is required, are required. 20th. Additional judge against the petitioner in the last session of the other part, land revenue appreciation higher than promulgation. In the present case, factual position in search of transaction. I have already said, I have already stated